Hello everybody, this is Daniel from China Gadgets Reviews. In this video we'll have a sound test on Xiaomi Bluetooth speaker with metallic body, this one. You can buy this beauty from gearbest.com online store for only $43 with free shipping. Okay, you can play music on this device from 3 different sources from micro SD card, from auxiliary in, and from Bluetooth. Okay, let's try first the micro SD card. Turn it on. Okay, insert the micro SD card like this. Like this. And press play button. Vibration.
准备配对。
Okay, next, just take off the micro SD card. Let's try the auxiliary in function. Okay, this is Test X06 music player. Just turn on both devices. Okay, now let's try the latest source, the Bluetooth. Okay, let's go back here in Bluetooth.
准备配对。
Bluetooth search. And now we are connected via Bluetooth. Let's go back, all songs, music. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.